first off, I wanted to give a big thank you to Luna cat emoji for making this wonderful picture for me. And then I guess I'll hop right into it. I made a Speedpaint PALOOZA, as I would like to call it, for my friend Josh for his birthday. And he is just like the best. He's like super smart and he's a complete brony, and it's, I don't know, it's just a whole lot of fun. I love all my dorky friends. I don't know, dorks are just so much fun to hang out with. And no, I'm not like being mean or anything, because I'm a complete dork too. But I love my friends. I'm in a wonderful mood, I guess. But it has been forever since I posted a video, and I'm sorry about that, but I've been working on this Speedpaint PALOOZA, as I would like to call it, and I'm sorry if I repeat myself. I have re-recorded this commentary like 400 times, and I give up at this point. I am becoming lazy, so if I mess up again, then you all are just, that's gonna be it. I'm sorry, because I've become lazy. But if my mom yelled at me, here's why the video stopped. She hollered for me, and I forgot I was recording, so I didn't pause it. I just walked off. But I made this super long video for my friend Josh, and there's even pictures that other people have made of his character in my video, and I will leave a link to all of the Deviant arts and the YouTubes of the other people in the description box below, aside from Luna, because she doesn't post videos. So, unless she wants me to, like, comment below if you want me to put your YouTube in the description box. I'm all for that, since I did put your picture in here. And thank you all for watching the video. I really hope you all enjoy it, and even more so, and I know this is kind of mean, but even more so, I hope Josh enjoys it. And thank you so much for being such a wonderful friend, and happy birthday. And I'm so sorry it took me so long to get this video out. It has been like a month since Josh's birthday, and he has been so sweet about it, because I've been like freaking out the whole time because it has taken me forever to get this video out. And he's been like so nice about it, and he like, if I would like freak out about it, he'd be like, you don't have to get me anything anyway, what you're doing is fine, blah, blah, blah. And you know, like nice, like being super nice about it. So there's a whole bunch of your OC in this video, and I will leave a link to all of the pictures in the video along with all of the Deviant arts. And to go along with me talking about Deviant art, I'm holding a raffle at the moment, and it is giving away all kinds of stuff on DeviantArt. All you have to do is either watch me or favorite 3 of my pictures over on my DeviantArt account, which is linked in the description, as well as I will link the raffle itself in the description. But in the raffle, I'm giving away points and icons and commissions, and then there's all kinds of other people giving away things like stamps and like simple animations and forever features and icons and things like that. Like, there's just a whole bunch of prizes, and there's 5 places to win. And it started out where like first place got better and more prizes than the others. But one of the ways you can actually earn extra entries to make it like more likely for you to win. And one of the ways you can do that is by offering a prize for the raffle. And when people offer prizes, I ask which place they want to offer the prize for, or if they're offering the prize for all of them. So kind of funny actually, second place has more prizes than any of them at the moment. It has for like a while, which I think is really weird. It's kind of funny though. But I am holding that raffle, and I will leave a link to it in the description box below, along with links to the other people's art and the other people's Deviant arts and the other people's YouTube. All of the videos are mine, but there are some pictures in here that other people made, but I labeled over by them if they were made by someone else. So thank you for watching the video, and thank all of you for watching the video, and thank you Josh for being such an amazing friend. Everyone, I would love it if you liked and subscribed and commented and didn't say anything about the fact that I just uttered the word just 400 times. But if you all would show Josh some love in the comment box below, I'm sure that would just make his day. If this video isn't already, I hope you all really enjoy it. You too, Josh, and I don't know, I'm just really excited about this one because it's my first Speedpaint PALOOZA, which is, I don't know if it's something that's already out there, but I just sort of made it up myself. But thank you all, and I hope you all enjoy this super long video, and it's not really that long, it's only like 22 minutes, but it's 3 Speedpaints. But thank you all for watching, and I hope you all enjoy the video. Like, subscribe. She spelled birthday wrong, and I didn't even notice till her friend pointed it out. But back to what I was saying. I hope you all like the video, and if you all do like the video, then make sure and comment below. And if you all do want to say anything to Josh, like, I will tell him, like if you all comment talking directly to him, then I'll text him and tell him what you said. And then, well, that is pretty much it. 400. So much stuttering. I'm so sorry. But I have recorded this so many times, and I'm just tired of recording it. Or, not recording it, commentating, like re-commentating. But thank you all so much for watching this video, and there's quite a bit left. It's not over yet, but thank you all for watching the video, and if you really enjoyed it, then like, comment, and subscribe for more, and I hope to see you all again next time. Bye!
Someone else is pulling out the strings. Something terrible is going down through the entire town, wreaking anarchy and all it brings. I can't sit idly, no, I can't move at all. I curse the name, the one behind it all. Discord, I'm howling out the moon and sleeping in the middle of a summer afternoon. Discord, what heaven did we do to make you take our world away? Discord, are we a prey alone, or are we just a stepping stone for taking back the road? Discord, we won't take it anymore, so take a tyranny away. Changing status quo, but not in letting go. Now the world is being torn apart. A terrible catastrophe played by a symphony. What a terrifying work of art. I can't sit idly, no, I can't move at all. I curse the name, the one behind it all. Discord, I'm howling out the moon and sleeping in the middle of a summer afternoon. Discord, what heaven did we do to make you take our world away? Discord, are we a prey alone, or are we just a stepping stone for taking back the throne? Discord, we won't take it anymore, so take a tyranny away. And sleeping in the middle of a summer afternoon. Discard, what havoc did we do to make you take our world away? Discard, are we a prey alone, or are we just a stepping stone for taking back the throne? Discard, we won't take it anymore, so take a tyranny away.
I cooked up a solution with the knowledge I've accrued. They say a kitchen time saves 9, but I'm just saving 2. I gathered the ingredients to make some type sorbet. There's hardly room for seconds when the seconds melt away.
What is this weird show? It's like the only thing you know. You talk about it every day. You know this is child's play. Your path ahead is blurred, told to go join in on the herd. You know this show's for younger crowds. How can you say you're proud? Now think, Brody, think. Everything in here is pink. You spent your precious time. Now you're walking the fine line, and then you have the nerve to ask me to observe. Aren't just for girls, let this tale unfurl. Twilight sparkle, pinky pie, applejack and fluttershy. Do not be afraid, we will never fade. Rainbow dash and rarity, join the herd, and you will see. Hey, this show's not bad, I'll give it to you, I'm real glad. I never thought I'd like this stuff, I thought I was just too tough. I'm sorry I was rude, I feel happy and renewed. And even though I feel naive, I find it hard to leave. So thanks, Brody, thanks. My mind was shooting blank.